This is Village Auto's 2009 Volkswagen Routan SEL van. Very clean one-owner van. Accident-free, verified through AutoCheck. The rear backup camera, rear wiper, rear defrost, privacy glass, alloy wheels with 4 light new Goodyear tires, dual power sliding doors. Very well maintained van. This one does come equipped with a 4.0 liter V6 motor along with the automatic transmission. Great deal for only $8,440. Let's get inside here for you. In the SEL package is a full leather interior. You also have the stone gold rear seats. This is a 7-passenger minivan. Full overhead console with the rear heating AC controls. Exceptionally clean. You do have full power options, power driver's side seat, AM/FM CD player with the Uconnect, the navigation, the Bluetooth connectivity, and the auxiliary input, 3-zone climate control, cruise control. You also have the home link, adjustable foot pedals, and steering wheel audio controls. All together, very clean, very well maintained van that runs and drives all perfect. Stop on down to Village Auto, bring this 2009 Volkswagen Routan SEL home with you today.